What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Shoaib back again with another video. Welcome to my channel Shoaib Vlogs. And guess what? Mother Nature had decided to give me all this snow in New York City. Are you kidding me? What the hell, man? It's March and look at all this snow, man. Everybody. This is crazy. I wasn't even expecting this. I was gonna bring you guys a brand new vlog. You know, it was gonna be a fun day, but look at all this snow. Check it out. Are you kidding me? What is this, man? I didn't even expect this to be like, what? Yo. Let me give you guys a little tour and let's go. Yo, check this snow out, man. Oh my God. What the hell? Yo, this is crazy, man. Look at me. Like, it's mad cold. Shit. And I'm still bringing you guys another vlog. And I'm still making the video for you guys. Yeah, buddy. Lightweight. Alright, let's go back. Yo, this is the hill, man. Yo, this is crazy. I'm sliding in March. So yeah, guys, that was a little bit of fun. I'm about to head home. It's crazy. Other than that, it's your boy Shoaib. Subscribe, like, share this video, comment below and let me know. Peace. Everybody.